Chief Minister Nongtung Mambirin inaugurates staff quarter of Yaripok Yambem Primary Health Center and Top Jingtha Undergraduate Girls Hostel. Titular King Lashemba Sanajauba asserts Manipuri culture is a composite culture and not entirely Meitei culture. Combined team seizes contraband drugs worth around 28 crore rupees in international market at Paicham Bank, More Ward number 3. And Kanglek Park Calendar Board says Ningol Chagoba should be celebrated on second day of Yangay as per Manipuri lunar calendar, which falls on October 29 this year. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongtung Mambirin inaugurated staff quarter of Primary Health Center at Yaripok Yambem in Imphal East and undergraduate girls hostel at Top Jingtha, constructed by Department of Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur today. Speaking at the inaugural event held at Top Jingtha, Chief Minister Nongtung Mambirin stated that climate change is a serious global issue which can even lead to famine. He asserted that the state government has started carrying out mass tree plantation drives under Green Manipur mission to combat the climate change. Lauding the BJP-led government, Biren stated that the state government has provided benefits under Larik Yengminashi mission to over 8,000 students. He asserted that law and order situation of the state has greatly improved with the advent of BJP-led state government, leading to increased tourists in the state, boosting the state's economy. Biren assured that Tulihal SDC office, which is currently at Porompat, will be shifted to Yaripok in the near future.
Isa thokibada ai pureba thokibada hanjal lagan hanjal oida khangdabi ai gi isan nupi thokibada kari thongbada ge ima thokibada kari thongbada ge ningnik launa lainera society do ngasi sahi ani makai sida fagrabani lebrabani ana makhata na lemhauriba punsi gi mirol mayam se masi sumaina ngasi gi sahi ani makai sumaina ingna lainana ba ai sumayam na apil domingi ai khoi ga wakhalon manaba Prajagi Seva Tamimba, Laivan Niana, Hen Luna Loba, Igi Sagi Kana Badagi, Adugumba leader Pio, I Manipur Prajabu, Nine intact Hange, I was saying, Mr.
Speaking on the occasion, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar stated that brand ambassador of Green Manipur Mission Ilangbam Valentina could not take part in yesterday's tree plantation drive due to family reasons. He also stated that the state government will try its best not to distract her from studies. Shyam Kumar asserted that education and health sectors of Andhra constituency have improved immensely under BJP-led state government. Chief Minister Nongtung Mambirin led the people, including Asia's famed DJ Soda and brand ambassador of Green Manipur Mission, Ilangbam Valentina, in planting various tree saplings at the shrine of Nongpok Ningtho and Ima Panthoibi at Top Jingtha on the occasion.
Prime Minister ke pandamdi, onama chief se pandamdi. Malay mama sema kanta, ndama sawa panda. Nupi hir chalai hai kaba yade. Moina lamdam ase santi progador bane ima iman में थोड़ा ज़्यादा याद है जगह सीधी अदुकी पंदन मखादा उन्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पंदन मखादा उन्हें मस्ती मिनिस्टर एनबीआर के मखादा नसीदी अंदर गुजरे गाइडलाइंस में मुझे संगात में कोई निपी सिंह है ना एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट एजुकेशन किया रखा अंदर लंदन में सफर नहीं पंदन में संगात में मैं आपको सपोर्ट तो भी कॉपरेशन भी अपील तो
Titular King Lashemba Sanajauba has asserted that Manipuri culture is a composite culture made up of cultures of various indigenous communities of the state and not just the Meitei community. He was speaking at the 10th state-level Children's Cultural Meet 2019 held at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute TRI in Chingmerong today. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights organized the event in collaboration with Child Rights NU, CRY, Kolkata on the theme Break the Silence, violence and child sexual abuse. Let's make a child-friendly Manipur. Maidingo Laishamba Sanajauba also presented Child Rights Award to 4 persons working in different fields. The awardees are Additional Superintendent of Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB, Thaunaujam Brinda, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Tiam Rajkishore, Zonal Education Officer of Taupal Zone 3, Arambam Anil Kumar, and Editor of Imphal Times Daily, Rinku Kumukcham. The titular king maintained that only youth can solve various issues facing the state. Hence, they should be instilled with a sense of unity, integrity, and patriotism. Cultural performances by children of various communities from across the state highlighted the event.
Mamang the Satkiba, Mirol Sing Satkrasum, the Lehoriba, Laiba, Pikliba Ngang Sing Nakoidi, Yamna, a sense of nationalism, a sense of belongingness, a sense of integration, Maset, Nakoi Hochitaki Hona, Tongan Bakang Purta, belong Toriba, Yauriba, the community singing, Angang Sing Sas, Nakoida Maselaheningi. Masi Mamangi, Mirol Sing a Wat Cree. Manipur da di poga sing do obayai tam do obayai anak pa do obayai ara pa do obayai India gi wena su masak na ba su ba lok tak se su udana sikiba singi ahalaman mayam ama yaugri asumaina tampak ta leri ba angang mayam amusu siroi lili udaba mayam yaulong hini pikraba lewak sidani ko.
A combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moreh Police, including women personnel, seized various contraband drugs worth around 28 crore rupees in the international market at Moreh town today. According to Impact News sources, the drugs were seized from one 47-year-old Hahat Haukip, wife of Myanmarese Kamnik Haukip, currently residing at Moreh Wards number 3, Paijam Vang in Moreh town. Acting on a tip-off, the combined team raided Hahat's residence and recovered 5,04,000 world's used tablets, 15 kilogram and 269 grams of crystal methamphetamine, 2 kilograms, 206 grams of ketamine powder, and 194 bottles of fancy dal, which were hidden at various places of the house, including bedroom, inside the wooden walls, and on rooftops. Police arrested Hahat on the spot. Upon questioning, she revealed that the drugs belonged to 2 ladies named Matazin and Kamkohat from Tamu town of Myanmar. The team handed over Hahat and the seized items to Moreh police station for further legal actions. Fire gutted down a house at Tera Sapam Leirak under Lamphel police station in Imphal West district around 10 this morning. Owner of the house is 62-year-old Kuraijam Angoba, son of late K.H. Pulen. According to Impact News sources, the fire completely burnt down a room in the house, including all its properties. Manipur Fire Service immediately rushed to the spot and extinguished the fire from spreading further. The fire is suspected to have started from bursting of firecrackers. Lamphel Police has registered a case and investigations are underway. One HD electric post fell on a house at Thongju Koiro Thong Makong under Singjamay police station in Thongju constituency today. The house belongs to one 65-year-old Thokchom Deven, son of late Nipamacha. The unfortunate incident, which burnt some household items, occurred around 4 this evening. Speaking to Impact News, the family members condemned the relevant department for their negligence and appeals to take appropriate measures to avoid such incidents in the future.
Tashingbagidi, Equisi, Tonju Kendrani, Honorable Power Minister, Tongam Pishorship and Pubibani Adu, Lambishi is equal last Tabagi, and Sisi last Tabagi, Lambishi Queen, and Shamak Tawi, last Hana Bakan, Honabashita, Equipishorship, Masamak Tasu, Hide Aja, and Edu Transformacy, Toma Kongo from Toxi, I still line him look the Pubusi Pugumji, Korkum Hainabagi, can never delay, Adabu, Sarkari, Marang Marang Tobashida, Peggy, Kane, Goiba, she Asigumba Tabak. Masa masusi yang jin badat nangau tu orang masu ya atu matung dasu koi honorable minister koi bisor sih nasu si masi yang haningi.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has strongly condemned the gruesome incident where a minor girl was raped by a staff of RIMS Hospital while taking ECG at the hospital in the wee hours of October 2. The organization asserted that RIMS director will be held responsible for any consequences of the incident. Speaking to media at MMWO office in Hatta today, convener of MMWO Women Wing MK Sophie said that people have lost faith in the hospital owing to the incident. She urged the authorities concerned to assign female lab technicians in the hospital for night shift to avoid such incidents. She also appeals to lawyers not to defend the rape accused.
Masangam lakte na pukhalaki nupi masama bu ECG laune haiduna pusin khraba matungda ajuda taramba staff na nupi oibigi kai khum manghan kiba haibase yaningde phongdo I nupi oibising ana layeng balak pase set oidre aduna responsible khudima RIMS ki director na pugadabani thabak lawbu matamna nupi oibising ne hena lawhan janinge maram desigum basing si thoktana bagi damakta nupi oibising su night duty tahan biba darkar oire hairiba nupasi gi case lawyer ama phobana magi favor da tawbidana ba appeal tawjar.
Rongmei Lu from RLP in a press release also strongly condemned the rape of a minor girl at RIMS ECG room. RLP demanded the concerned authorities to award befitted punishment to the culprit. Jiri Development Organization JDO along with all Manipur Students Union Amsu Jiribam Ima Maira Paibi Apunba Loop Jimpal Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada and Pari Puri Apunba Loop Pranil Jiribam held one-day public discourse on the theme Merger Agreement and its impact on present Manipur society at Babupara's JMC Community Hall in Jiribam district today. Speaking on the occasion, JDO General Secretary W. Dinesh stated that Manipur is facing various issues since its merger with the Indian Dominion. He asserted that the event aims to aware people on issues facing the state. Many resource persons presented their viewpoints on the theme during the discussion meet. General Secretary of Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee AIPPC S. Herajit, President of Jimpal H. Mema, President of JDO L. Roman, representatives of various student organizations and Maira Paibis took part in the event. Manipur Information Commission in a press release informed that it will observe Right to Information RTI Week 2019 sponsored by the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India at a Tribal Research Institute TRI Auditorium from October 7 to 11. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Kanglek Park Calendar Board claiming that Ningol Chakoba falls on October 29 this year. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Kanglek Park Calendar Board KCB has appeals to people of the state to celebrate Ningol Chakoba Festival on October 29, the second day of Hayangay as per Manipuri Lunar calendar. Speaking to media at Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO office in Sagolban, Moirang Lerak today, KCB Vice President Moirang Them Surjit asserted that the original Ningol Chakoba falls on October 29 and not on October 30 as published on DIPR calendar.
Yang kaya nini pamba habisi Ningol Chakoba hai na adum parampara degi akogi adum lai rabani hari basi numela sigi kaino ki pung ayuki pung teruk ka minute rahum doi second ani degi di akoi yang kaya nini pale palabani na masi Chakoba tare mamadu loi basu akogi scientific state da ahingi pung ahum minute nipu tare second kuntram panda adu bok dani aduna nongai ringai da lore aduna tang kuntra da akoi tang kuntra yumsa kesen me October dai adu pan badudi chumde aduna akoi gi thabane basi di pung da chali chahim da ong thokpa Ningol Chakoba basi khoi ki maroi basi dai da tang kuma panda matam chana Ningol Chakoba mabung mapa maya bunadana mai gi mapam lamdam lakose masi da chumi hai dana akoi na wafam si Kanglek Park Calendar Board gi thamjari.
Laima Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society Limited Singjamai Wangma kicked off Handloom and Handicrafts Expo in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba Festival at the Society's office today. Speaking on the occasion, Directorate of Handloom and Textiles K. Lamli Kamei asserted that handloom and handicraft products of the state are very popular outside the state. He said marketing issues will subside eventually once people start using the native products. Lamli Kamei assured that the Directorate is putting all-out efforts to promote handloom and handicraft products of the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯍꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯪꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯂꯪꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯣꯁꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯣꯡꯅ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ.
State Tourism Department will kick off Shiroi Lili Festival 2019 with an aim to promote conservation of the endangered Shiroi Lili and to promote young talents from October 16 till 19. Ticket-free Shirok concert as part of the festival will be one of the major attractions with Scottish legendary rock band Nazareth performing on the inaugural day. Tourists are requested to pre-register online at shirokfest.com. Chairman of Autonomous District Council ADC Chandil D. Ringo Lamkang inaugurated school building of newly upgraded Lambung Junior High School under ADC Chandil today. Speaking at the event organized by ADC Chandil D. Ringo Lamkang asserted that the council is striving to improve the condition of 129 schools under the council. He urged the teachers to dedicate themselves in producing good students. Two-day customer outreach initiative program organized by State Bank India SBI Taubal branch for the first phase concluded today. The valedictory event was held at the election counting hall of Taubal DC complex. Banks in the district have distributed a total loans of around 3 crore rupees to beneficiaries in the area under the program. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Masalsa, along with all backward classes and economic development organization, jointly organized one-day interaction cum counseling session at Samaramda Observation Home of Taubal District today. High Court of Manipur Justice K.H. Nobin, Head of RIM Secretary Department Dr. R.K. Lenin, and Chairman of Manipur State Legal Services Authority took part in the program. Masalsa Project Consultant R.K. Sujata and RIM's Assistant Professor Dr. L. Roshan counseled children of the observation home as part of the event. Gifts were also presented to the children on the occasion. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB Eastern Region Border Unit More Manipur, in collaboration with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, conducted one-day sensitization program on wildlife crime and role of PRI members at Slopeland Public School, Kongjom in Taubal District today. Students and staffs of the Range Office, Kakching and Taubal attended the program, supported by Forest Department, Government of Manipur. Film Forum Manipur in a press release informed that it will organize one-week training cum workshop program on film acting and film makeup and costume designing at Shankar Talkies from October 10 to 17. Further details may be availed at the office of Film Forum Manipur. Hairok Nagar Panchayat organized a free medical camp for members of self-help groups under Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Livelihood Mission at Hairok Part 2 Market in Taubal District today. Around 216 people were checked up and free medicines were provided to them at the camp. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Durga Puja festival. In her greetings, the governor said Durga Puja marks the eternal essence of victory of good over evil and ushers in hope and bright future. She hoped that the festival will strengthen the spirit of unity to fight against all evils. Minister Nongtungam Biren has also extended warm greetings to everyone on the joyous occasion of Durga Puja. In his greetings, Biren said that the festival of Durga Puja epitomizes the eternal message of victory of good over evil. It also symbolizes feminine energy, empowerment and determination. He wished for the festival to lead people in the path of righteousness and reinforce the bond of brotherhood and amity among all sections in the state for a more peaceful and prosperous Manipur. Manipur Amateur Boxing Association MABA in a press release announced that Ngangom Tejkumar has been selected as the new MABA president, while Sanabam Chandrakanta has been selected as the new secretary general and Thiam Ratan Kumar as the new treasurer of the association for the session 2019 till 24. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtungam Biren inaugurates staff quarter of Yaripok Yambem Primary Health Center and Top Chingtha Undergraduate Girls Hostel. Titular King Lashemba Sanajauba asserts Manipuri culture is a composite culture and not entirely Meitei culture. Combined team seizes contraband drugs worth around 28 crore rupees in international market at Paicham Bank, More Ward number 3. And Kanglek Park Calendar Board says Ningol Chagoba should be celebrated on second day of Yangai as per Manipuri lunar calendar, which falls on October 29 this year.